what I'm concerned about is this fear that we're seeing from people that are coming in. They lost money in 2022. They're seeing a little bit of it come back in 2023, and then they're losing that again. And they're afraid to make a change because if they take control of their own assets, which is what our students want to do, they want to take control. It doesn't have to be all your assets, it can be a small part. But if you're taking control, you're concerned that maybe you'll make the wrong decision and you'll end up losing more. So what they do is they leave their money
Hmm.
with the people that caused them to lose money in 22
Yeah.
and are following their advice, causing them to lose money now. I'll never forget about a year ago, we had a person come in 2020, when the pandemic hit, in 3 weeks, each week, they lost $100,000. $100,000 one week, 100,000 the second week, 100,000 the third week. And he was feeling really kind of, very depressed, very down on his advisor that he thought was a good friend of his. He went to visit his advisor, and the comment was that he came back with was the advisor said, "Well, I lost money too." That's supposed to
What
make
would he
him feel
do?
better? No, no, and that's even worse. If you have an advisor that's losing money, then they're probably not advising you to do the right thing during these time periods where you could be benefiting, not losing.
Yeah, and you talking about there's quote unquote fear in the market. Just don't take our word for it. What's the gauge of the fear? What's the fear
The
gauge?
the VIX.
The VIX, that's up 53% in the past since the 14th of September. Think
Right.
about that.
Yeah.
So, but that's an opportunity if you know how to use that. There's opportunities as the public gets afraid. There's opportunities to profit as markets go down. We'll talk about that coming up. But I like how you were just kind of mentioning about being taking control of your own money, because who is going to have your best interest in what you want in your future, you or your kids, right?
Well,
It's going to be you both, right?
eventually it will be your kids,
It's not
but it
going to be a
starts with you.
stranger.
No, that's right.
Yeah, even if they say, "Oh, I like my gal or like my guy," but there's got to be something else you can do. And that's why we talk about these techniques and strategies here on the show, to introduce you to these techniques on the show. Obviously, we can't teach anything on the show. That's why we invite people to come into an investing class local at our academies. We have a local academy here, right in here in Bloomington, physical place to learn about the financial markets. What can you do? What are some of your opportunities, some of your options with your retirement accounts, with your income accounts, and making smarter investing decisions? So I want to invite you to this class. This is a 2-hour class here. Al teaches these, I teach these as well. And these are classes where we've taught thousands. Just like you, are many strategies which are designed to teach you and help you make smart and intelligent investing decisions. So text the word investing to the number 210 right now for 2 seats of this class and the jumbo pack. Text investing to the number 210 and the jumbo pack for this investing class. If you're a caller, simply call 952-814-4410. That's 952-814-4410, and we'll make sure we get you a date that works the best for you. That way you can talk to a physical person and you're not talking to a robot like most places you call. So coming up next, stay tuned. We're going to talk about income strategies, wealth strategies, how to take advantage of these markets as they're going down. We're seeing some drops. Coming up next, stay tuned. This is Josh and Al. We will be right back.